Okay, so to check the level of the brake fluid on this one, on this mini Jeep, right here is where it's located, the deposit. The only thing what we have to do is find the screws. Right here. We need to use the Phillips and boom. We take out the bolt. Like this. It's gonna have two. It's gonna have one on this side and the other one is right here. We just have to pull both bolts and this little cover right here, and that's it. You see the line? This top part is gonna be off, and you can put all the brake fluid on it, and that's it.